Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. You are watching my Ugandan cooking channel, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, you're welcome again. Today we are going to prepare Irish, and this is my grandma's recipe. By the way, I'm going to begin with heating the saucepan. So we are preparing Irish plus French beans. Just follow me on how I am going to cook, and I hope you like the video. I'm going to add the onions, so I'm going to add the Irish, I'm now going to add the French beans. I'm now going to add the green pepper, carrots and the tomatoes. Also with garlic. I'm going to add some salt. So now ingredients that we are going to add, we have turmeric, paprika, cumin, Royco and coriander. So I'm just going to mix it with water, then add it in here. So I'm also going to add some water to enable it to cook softly. So my family, our food is now ready. I'm just going to serve it. Our food looks so yummy and delicious. So my family, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you tell me where you're watching from. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.